Okay, so let's move again back to the property. Till now we have seen the Laplace transform, introduction to the Laplace transform, and then we have seen the properties of Laplace transform, where we had discussed linearity property, time scaling property, time shifting property, and last but not the least was frequency shifting property. So now we are going towards the next topic, which is time differentiation property, or maybe a derivative based property. So how does it looks like? So when we say f of t is equal to f of s in Laplace transform. So now if I take the derivative of this particular f of t, so what will be the Laplace function of this particular derivative will be? It will be s into f of s minus small f. Okay, remember this, it is a small f 0 minus. Now what does this f 0 minus represent? It represents a initial value. So for any system, if there is a initial value, this will be present. However, if we assume that the initial condition is 0, so that will be considered as 0. Okay, so this term is dependent on the what has been mentioned in the question. If in the question it is mentioned that the initial value is 1, so this term will come into picture. However, if it is mentioned that initial condition is assumed to be 0, then this term will be 0. Now, derivative cannot be only of one type, there is a double derivative as well. So if we take a case like this, where we have the d square upon dt square upon the derivative of f of t, it will be equal to, listen it very carefully, s into derivative of f of t, first derivative of f of t, minus f prime, again small f prime 0 minus. Is it okay? So ideally it looks like this. अगर ये नहीं समझ रहा है तो ध्यान से यहाँ पे देखो. अगर derivative of a is a into s, which was this case, okay, s into a, बट अभी इसका फिर से आप डेरिवेटिव लेते हो तो क्या होगा? अगर आप इसको वापस से डेरिवेटिव लेते हो तो एक और s क्या होगा, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. तो सेम चीज़ यहाँ पे भी हुआ है. अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखोगे तो कैसा डेरिवेटिव आया है? दिस इज दैट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एफ ऑफ टी. तो फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव इज ओवर हियर. Again I have taken the derivative of this particular term. So this term will be multiplied by s and this initial condition will come over here. So when you split this, it will become s square into f of s. अब मैंने क्या किया, ब्रैकेट ओपन किया, s into s square f of s minus s f 0 minus f prime 0 minus. Okay, so this is your derivative. Now let's take one example to check the derivative of one function with assuming that initial condition is 0. So what we are taking, given the following differential equation, find Laplace transform of y of t if all the initial conditions are 0. Now एक थोड़ा सा बड़ा सा इक्वेशन मैंने रखा है यहाँ पे, ताकि इट कैन बी अ वेरी क्लियर इंडिकेटर फॉर व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. सो नाउ फर्स्ट इज अ डबल डेरिवेटिव विच इज़ ओवर हियर, डी स्क्वायर वाई ऑफ टी अपॉन डी टी स्क्वायर प्लस 12 डी वाई ऑफ टी अपॉन डी टी प्लस 32 वाई ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू 32 यू ऑफ टी. नाउ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक व्हेन वी ओपन इट. सो फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव विल बी, we have to go over here again and we will see. So what is the derivative of any function of d square dt square is, it is equal to s square f of s minus s f 0 minus f dash 0 minus. So let's move there and check. So yes, it is like this. So the first term ka derivative is s square y of s minus s y 0 minus y prime 0 minus. Okay, now this is a simple derivative. तो इसका सिंपल क्या आता है, अगर आप इसका करोगे तो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस. इट विल बी 12 s y of s minus the initial condition, and this is very simple. It will become plus 32 y of s and what is the derivative of u of t is u of t का अगर हमने Laplace लिया तो what it is 1 upon s. Now when I simplify it, what we have assumed that the initial conditions are 0. Okay, just let me mark where are the initial conditions. So what we have assumed that the initial conditions are 0, so all this term will become 0. Okay, now when we take this, what happens, let's see. So since I mentioned that all that terms will become 0, and when you simplify it, it will look like this, where it will be s square y of s, ये 0 हो जाएगा, ये 0 हो जाएगा, तो it will not be there, plus 12 into s y of s, because this is 0, plus 32 y of s is equal to 32 upon s. Now when we simplify it, we will do what, y of s बाहर ले लेंगे, ब्रैकेट में it will be s square plus 12 of s plus 32 is equal to 32 upon s. Now again simplifying it further, it will be y of s is equal to 32 upon s square plus 12s plus 32. So this term we are moving over here. Now when we simplify this term, when we simplify this, otherwise you can stop here as well. If you want to simplify it, it will be 32 upon s plus 4 s plus 8. So this is what is the differentiation property of Laplace transform is. I hope you have understood this. So next video we will be seeing the convolution property.